Discovered in 1986, this underwater structure appears man-made, with stairs, pillars, and walls. Is it a lost city sunk by an earthquake? Or is nature just a better architect than we think? Deep in the Amazon lies a river so hot it boils anything that falls in. But there are no nearby volcanoes to explain it. Locals believe it's sacred. Scientists are still looking for answers. Roraima Island appeared on maps for centuries, until it vanished. It's not visible by satellite, sonar, or flight. Did it sink? Never exist? Or was it erased?